Hey guys, welcome to T's Garden. Today we are repotting a yucca plant.
Yeah, every day, every night.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I picked it up. Now what?
Set her down gently.
Oh. Okay. Ta-da. And then you have to add more soil to it, right?
Yeah.
What?
It says in-ground use only, but we're going against the rules.
We're doing it out of the ground, but
Go ahead.
in the soil. Around
Put
it?
it in here.
Oh.
You gotta mix it first.
All of it?
No,
Just
that's good.
A yucca cane. Mixing in the soil with the Miracle Grow.
The mulch.
The mulch with the Miracle Grow. And then we're going to transfer it to this pot that we just put the yucca in. It was in a smaller pot. And the roots are very, what would you call them? They're very root bound?
Root bound.
Root bound. They're jumbled up together basically, and they need room to grow. And it's time to repot it. This is our little fairy garden. It's gorgeous. Okay, so now I'm gonna lift up the tree.
Yeah.
Okay. And we're gonna put more soil in. And I'll put it in.
Hold on.
We're gonna make a little spot for it. It's all mixed together. And then we'll put it in. Any day now.
If you want your wife to get strong,
Make her hold the trees.
take it as long.
Oh gosh. Nice. Just to elevate it more above so the leaves don't touch. We're adding the soil, the new soil with the old one. Do you do anything with the roots, or you just leave them?
I mean, you can trim them up and stuff, but I just want to have as minimal shock as possible, so I just left them.
Nice, and then maybe they'll expand on their own.
Yeah, they definitely will.
Oh, okay, cool.
Those are pretty vigorous roots. I mean, come over here. There's roots coming out of the growth points over here. I'm trying to get this dead leaf out of here so you can see better. Roots.
Oh yeah, I can see them. So they're coming out of the top, yeah.
And then right here is a root.
Yeah, I can see them all along.
Okay.
There, that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it'll definitely thrive in this new pot. And it's cool. It's a yucca cane, you said?
Yucca cane, yeah.
Yucca cane. It's a nice looking plant. It looks kind of tropical vibe.
Yes.
But it's like a desert, tropical desert.
Yeah.
That's what I like about it. Because it can be good in SoCal weather. And yeah, we have a lot of other plants to show you, so stay tuned for more videos and tips and tricks for your own garden. This is a segment we're doing on my channel. And he also just took out all of these slabs and added mulch. This is mulch, right?
Yeah.
And it's a beautiful red color. He put some plants around it. So we took these out because they were raised and preventing us from walking properly and just a hazard. So that's that. And we have another project coming along. This. So we're gonna put a plant in it. Hi, Ralphie. Probably a tree, and then finish off with more mulch. I wasn't recording. We're gonna finish doing plant mulch. Just fill that baby up. I'm glad.
And then you push it down
Why?
so there's no air pockets.
Nice. No air pockets. What does that do?
Air pockets are just not good. If the roots grow into it, they don't get water or anything. So they
That
won't
makes
be in
sense.
soil.
Yeah. You want it to be nicely packed. You can use garden gloves, but my husband is rough. And he likes to have his hands look really messy. He loves that. I do not, but I respect it. So my hands can look like that. They don't look too good on camera, but they're not as rugged as his. I promise. Huh? And we have the finished product. We repotted the yucca. It's nice and filled.
From, I don't even know.
We
what
broke
was,
this.
like a 3-gallon.
Yeah, look at the size of this. This was the original one. So just put it side by side. So this is it raised up on the brick compared to the one that it's in now. It's pretty insane that the roots were all in that little thing now looking at it. That's insane. We moved it from that little one to that one. All you have to do is get some more mulch, soil, mix it together, make sure it's nice and compact, and
then have a strong wife to hold it.
And have a strong wife to hold it for you when you're doing it. That's about it. Bye, guys.